I need to turn in my homework before I can go out. We're going to put off the meeting until next week. Can you turn down the music? It's too loud. I'll hand in the documents later today. She wants to take up a new hobby in her free time. After the argument, he decided to make up with her. The company had to call off the event due to bad weather. Can you turn off the lights before you leave? The car broke down on the way to work this morning. They need to work out the problem before it gets worse.